For today's video, we will answer a math challenge given by one of our followers. And the question goes like this. Solve for the value of a given this equation 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over a equals 420 over 834. Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so given this equation 1 over 1 plus 1 over plus 1 over a equals 420 over 834. The question is, what is the value of this a? Now, I will show you two solutions to this question. The first one is we have the left side manipulation. And the second one is the right side manipulation. Now, let's start with the left side manipulation. So what we're going to do is to manipulate this left hand side and then solve for the value of a. So let's do that. Now take note this one right here. This one right here can be written as a over a. This is just 1. Now why we do that? The reason is to make the denominator the same. Now if we add this a over a plus 1 over a, this will give us a plus 1 over a. Now 1 over a plus 1 over a can be written as a over a plus 1. Now this one right here can be written as a plus 1 over a plus 1. This is just 1. Now again, we have the same denominator, so we can now easily add a plus 1 over a plus 1 plus a over a plus 1. If we do that, we get a plus 1 plus a. This will give us 2a plus 1 over a plus 1 on the denominator. Next, 1 over 2a plus 1 over a plus 1 can be written as a plus 1 over 2a plus 1. Now, from here, what we're going to do is to simplify the right hand side, because 420 over 834 is divisible by 6, because 42 is 7 times 6 and 834 is technically divisible by 2 because it ends in even number, and 8 plus 3 plus 4, this will give us 15. The sum of digits 8 plus 3 plus 4, and 15 is divisible by 3, therefore this number is divisible by 3. Since it is divisible by 2 and 3, therefore this number is divisible by 6. So let's divide 420 by 6 and 834 by 6. If we do that, we get 70 over 139. Now, what we're going to do is to cross multiply. This is our first method. So if we cross multiply this, we get 139a plus 139 equals 2a plus 1 times 70. This will give us 140a plus 70. Next, let's solve for the value of a. Let's subtract 139a on both sides. If we do that, we get 139 equals a plus 70. Then subtract 70 on both sides, we get that the value of a equals 69. So using our first method, we get that the value of a is 69. Now another method aside from cross multiplication is, notice that this 70 can be written as 69 plus 1. And 139 can be written as 138 plus 1. Why we do that? Because here we can easily say that a must be equal to 69, because 138 also, if we written this in terms of 69, this is just 2 times 69. So clearly a equals 69. Alright, so this is our first method, left side manipulation. Now how about the right side manipulation? Alright, so let's do that. Now before that, we need to simplify the fraction on the right hand side. Again, we know if we divide this by 6 on the numerator and denominator, we get something like 70 over 139. Now the key here is to simplify first the fraction. Alright, now 70 over 139 can be written as 1 over 139 over 70. Now, if we divide 139 to 70, we get 1 remainder of 69. Therefore, 139 over 70 can be written as 1 plus 69 over 70. Next, 69 over 70 can be written as 1 over 70 over 69. Again, 70 divided by 69, we get 1 remainder 1. So, 70 over 69 can be written as 1 plus 1 over 69. So, clearly, A equals 69. Now, what if we don't simplify the right-hand side? Or we don't simplify 420 over 834. So, what will happen? So, let's see. 420 over 834, we can rewrite this as 1 over 834 over 420. And if we simplify this, we get something like 1 plus 414 over 420. Again, don't simplify this. And then let's continue. 414 over 420 can be written as 1 over 420 over 414. We repeat this process and we cannot get the correct value for A. So, the lesson here is to always simplify the fraction. It's either on the left side or on the right hand side. Therefore, our answer to this question, what is the value of A given this equation? And our answer is A equals 69. Thanks for watching our video. Follow our page for more content like this. And as always, we are done.